welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, you are more than welcome. My name is Aliwa and this is Zafro, and today I am showing you how I achieve this cute, very fast protector style. If you'd like to know how I did it, keep watching.
Hey! So I'm starting on clean and moisturize hair. First I'm grabbing my Denman Brush. Guys, just ignore that, okay? Just ignore that. So my hair was previously tangled, but I like using my Denman Brush to make sure there's no knot, and also when I brush down with that, it's nice and sleek. I'm using my DIY Flaxseed Gel, but you can use any of your favorite gel. So basically what I'm doing is that I'm sectioning my hair from bottom to the top to make a low ponytail. So I apply the gel generously on the hair, brushing each section down with the Denman Brush, making sure it's nice and sleek. Once you're done with all the section, brush your hair down in a low ponytail, but not too tight. I secure the tail in a twist. I'm using a bristled brush to make sure that the hair is nice and sleek. Be generous with the gel because you want to make sure that your hair is silky smooth. Here I'm using one of my favorite age control gel. It's the Age Gel by My Natural Hair. It's really one of my favorites because it's very gentle, your hair is not cakey, and I really like it. I'm tying my edges with a satin scarf just for the meantime. Now I take a piece of fiber that I'm securing with an elastic band and I braid it up. You want to make sure that your braid is not too tight, it's quite on the loose side. So I'm braiding about the whole perimeter of my head, and you will understand later why. Now the star of the show is a half wig that I made with kiki curly hair, but you don't have to use real hair, it also works with yaki hair. On the half wig I install clipping at the bottom and in the front, so I'm just going to install the half wig, securing it with the clipping in the front and at the back. Just be very gentle, especially on your edges. I'm securing the half wig with bobby pins. I think at this point I realized that I could have added more clippings to the unit, so since I didn't have clipping at that moment, I just secured it with bobby pins. Now I'm adding the braid that I made to cover the sewing of the half wig, and I'm securing it with bobby pin. I attached a bobby pin to the braid and I pin it at the back of my head, and I use the braid to cover the sewing of the half wig, and I just tied it at the back of my head. Et voila, it's done. Nice, quick and easy. I really like the style because it's quick and easy. I think you can make it in less than 15 minutes. This is the hairstyle that I do when I have a bad hair day and I just can't handle my hair. It's also very versatile, so you can have fun with it.
Comment down below if you think that you can try it. Comment down below if you want to ask me any question. And then of course, one thing, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And also one more thing, consider subscribing to my channel. But I feel like you've been here a bit too much and then you haven't subscribed. Or if it's your first time, I'm sure that you're gonna find a lot of things that you like about my channel. So please subscribe to my channel. Down here, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and if you reproduce this hairstyle, please tag me. I really want to see how you look like. Until next time, I love you all and God bless you.